Welcome to the Ritz-Carlton. Are you ready to see what a luxury experience looks like? Come tour my villa, Villa 18 at the Ritz-Carlton Ras Al Khaimah Al Hamra Beach Resort. Let's go. Every villa has a private entryway. You'll see gorgeous flowers and your own private door leading to your courtyard. Pass through that door into your own beautiful oasis. Your gorgeous outdoor tub is sure to delight you. As you can see, this tub is definitely big enough for 2 people. You also have your own private outdoor shower. Past the shower, you'll see your own Bali bed equipped with pool towels and your own private plunge pool. Heated plunge pool, I might add. Beautiful place to have your own floating breakfast, which the resort does offer. You'll also find your own outdoor seating area, another beautiful fountain, and your own private cabana. Your own beautiful beachfront oasis. This is luxurious and peaceful. And as you leave your cabana, you're just steps away from the beach. Awesome. But as beautiful as it is out here, I'm sure you're dying to see the inside. So let's go take a look. Now, even though there is no key to enter the courtyard, you will need a key to enter your villa. Welcome to a beautiful 1-bedroom tented king villa. This room is literally inside of a tent, but don't worry, it is air conditioned. It features a king bed with beautiful, beautiful decor. Laying on this, you'll definitely feel like kings and queens. You have a gorgeous flat screen television and a beautiful living room. Now, today is my birthday, so they did bring me a fabulous cake from the Ritz-Carlton. So nice. And I love the encasing to make sure that no critters can do it. Notice all the beautiful walls and windows inside of this gorgeous villa and your chandelier. Now, coming past the bedroom, you're going to find a beautiful bathroom. In this bathroom, you'll find, of course, your water closet, beautiful closet. One of the doors does include a full-length mirror, as well as a full wardrobe section with safe and shelves. The gorgeous bathroom features a dual vanity with a beautiful lighted mirror that you could turn the lights on or off. Lastly, but certainly not least, is this beautiful shower equipped with rainfall shower head, detachable spray, and plenty of space to store your amenities. And of course, you do receive Ritz-Carlton complimentary bath amenities in your villa as well. Even just the door is absolutely stunning. Gorgeous floor mat. And if you want privacy, all of these shades can be closed simply by pulling on the strings. So welcome to your beautiful oasis. If you've enjoyed this video and you're interested in booking a villa, if you have questions, be sure to contact Mayfield Elite Travel. And remember, I only travel elite.
Next week on Mayfield Elite Mondays. Don't forget to subscribe.